Hello everyone, today we are going to do some mesh, an easy way to do so. So first, you get into your CAD tool, mine is Fusion, and as you can see it's a simple model. It's a piece for protecting my 12 cm fan. And as you can see, I didn't make the mesh inside my CAD software because it can be very hard to do so in 2D. It will make huge complex shapes very slow. So I'm going to make it in Cura. So I export it in 3MF, but you can do it in STL. I import it. Cura is free for personal use. And I'm going to use a function that is for plate adhesion, the raft type of adhesion. And when you launch it, as you can see, it's building some sort of plate of mesh, but it's far too big. You must reduce the size with the extra margin parameter, and you must add some value to smoothing to complete the mesh. I'm slicing, and here we are. Here is the model with the mesh. I'm exporting it to print. Printing was straightforward, no problem. It took about 2 hours for my 12 by 12 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters in height. And as you can see, the mesh is quite fine. Take care when you remove it, it's fragile. And here is the mesh. What are the settings I used? My Cura version is 4.13. Key points are set to raft to the adhesion type. Lower the raft extra margin to the minimum. And get raft smoothing higher. Of course, you can adjust other parameters. I show you mine. If this video was useful to you, please leave a like. It will help my little channel. Until the next video, have a nice day and stay cool.